Go, Cabana!
Every man for himself. Once you're off the edge, you're dead. That's the name of the game. 3 cards left. Mike, Andy, and Chris.
Mike just takes the death twice.
Whoa! Don't kill yourself! Oh, Mike hammered in the middle. Oh, Chris is off the edge! Chris is dead! He's down! It's Mike and Andy. Neck and neck.
Just make sure you can get in the car. Come back.
Oh, Mike's gonna kill himself. Whoa!
Now we need both.
And this is a battle to remember.
Woo!
Woo!
Nice.
Don't do it, Mike! Go for the kill! Whoa, everyone's going to spin. Andy's going to kill himself off the edge, dude.
Oh, yeah, you kill him. Oh.
Come on, boys. End this like men.
Thinking over there.
Go for the jugular!
Oh! You will.
Push! Push! Oh, it's a standoff. Oh, and it breaks. Oh, Mike goes for it. He kills himself.